Hi, if you want to check weather on lock screen on your iPhone 16e, then go in your phone settings. From here, find and select wallpaper and click to add new one. So from the list, find weather category, tap it like that, and this is how it will look. So as you can see, weather widget is immediately added as well. You can tap it and remove by tapping minus. But right now you can actually check your weather, so let's tap add. And here we can either set it as wallpaper pair or customize home screen. I'm gonna set as pair and let's test it. So now we can check weather on our iPhone 16e. Another way, if you don't want to change your wallpaper, then you can press and hold your current lock screen to edit it. On the bottom, choose to customize, select your lock screen, tap to add widget, and find weather from the list. Tap it, choose style, as well as temperature or conditions, index, sunrise, sunset, and so on. Let's just find this first one with temperature and tap to add to my lock screen. And right now I can always check weather temperature by just looking at my lock screen. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.